Hello, Chef here. Today I got a new recipe for you. This is going to be curry chicken. Might be new to some of you. I'm not sure if you like curry, but anyway, it's good stuff. Very strong. I've got 2 tablespoons of curry powder. This is Madras style curry. It's kind of medium hot, not too spicy. This is turmeric. Very good for your health. Cajun seasonings. Okay, of course, salt, pepper, garlic, onions, chicken. I'll be back. Okay, the first step is going to be to clean the chicken. Very simple. Just clean it up real quick. Remove the fat and the silver skin from the breast. We're going to cut this breast into large dice, and I'm going to save this scraps for some chicken stock. There we go. Just like that. Okay. Large dice. Okay. Okay. Moving along here. Yellow onion. This is actually Vidalia onion. I'll be using half of this onion here today. Just like this. Going to go with a larger dice, maybe a medium dice. There we go. Okay, that'll be enough onion for us right there. Garlic. Maybe 5 cloves. Okay, just like this. Smash them up. Garlic is so good for you. Yeah. Okay. So we put a couple more. Okay, garlic can stay into large chunks like this. We're also going to be using 1 tomato, large tomato, and the tomato we're just going to cut it into some large pieces like this. Carrot, whole carrot, and this is a little different here. Oh, for the carrot, I decided to use the mandolin, much faster. Okay, you can see most of my ingredients. Time to get this curry moving here. Okay, I've got a hot pan here. I'm going to put some vegetable oil. Got my chicken. I put salt and pepper on there so far. I'll be back. Okay, once the chicken is mostly cooked and browned somewhat, remove from the pan. Okay, next step, hot pan. A little bit more oil. Onions and garlic. Oh, looking really good. Next we're putting our carrots. And we let it cook. Okay, looking good. Now, time to put our spices here. Curry. Turmeric. Cajun. Oh yeah, look at that. Next ingredient, 1 cup chicken stock. Okay, at this point we taste it, adjust the seasonings. Oh yeah. And we add a little bit of cornstarch water slurry mixture like this. Just a little bit, not too much. Want it to thicken up and reduce. Let this simmer for a while. Tomatoes. I've reduced the heat, putting my chicken back in. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. You can see it already. Look at those flavors coming together. Oh yeah. Chicken curry. Okay, it's been simmering for a while now. I'm actually gonna cover it. The finished chicken curry. All right, I'm going to be plating this up here. I am of the belief curry is good like this. Some people do add yogurt or ghee or, you know, cheese, different paneer, all different things, especially dairy product or yogurt. I like it just like this, plain. So I'm going to do it this way, and I'm just going to serve some of this awesome chicken curry into this bowl here. Show you what it looks like, the finished presentation. Notice I'm using a old wooden spoon. That's traditional too. All right, that's about 1 serving right there. Okay, and I'm going to garnish this with some tornade potatoes, just like this, as well as a touch of chopped rosemary. Goes really good with the potatoes and the stew. That's it. Hope you like watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe. Support your sponsor. Keep cooking. Have a beautiful day. That's going to be good.